Hello there, this is Jani from LiquidBlox. I'll show you a short LiquidBlox demo from designer's point of view. Let's first take a look at the simple content update, which obviously needs to be super easy for your clients to update their websites. Let's start by clicking any content, in this case the text on top of the hero banner. Text editor opens for us to make changes in the text. Super explosive creativity. Okay, then we save the changes. After this, we can click the green arrow in the top toolbar to publish one page at a time, publish the whole site, or just to preview the page in browser. And this is how the demo page would look like after the changes. Okay, let's jump back to the LiquidBlox page editor. Next, I will show you how to create a layout for a block. We will duplicate this block that is originally split in two halves, with text content on the left and image on the right. We'll navigate between the two blocks and the plus icon appears. We'll create a 100% wide block, which I recommend using in all modern websites. We'll activate the block by clicking on it, and then we'll adjust the initial height. I want this block actually to be 510 pixels high, so I type in the height and click Save. I activate the block again by clicking on it, and with the split tool I will create the layout. I could keep on splitting the block even more, but in this example it's not necessary, so let's just save the new layout. We want to add the same background color to the left content area that is shown in the original one below. So far we've been working on content and layouts in the build mode, which is represented by the hammer icon in the top toolbar. Next, we will enter style mode, which is used for editing styles like background colors, background images, background videos, padding, and so on. I click on the brush icon and select the correct block to be edited. After clicking on the newly created block, the HTML structure opens up as layers. We want to activate this layer to add the background color. I'll click the Edit Background button and open the color for editing. On the right side, I could freely choose the color or paste in a color code. We also have what we call dynamic brand colors. When these colors are altered later on, they change automatically throughout the site. I'll choose dark blue as the background color. After saving the styles, we are taken back to the build mode, which is the default mode of the page editor. Next, we'll add content to the content areas. I'll just right-click copy this text to the clipboard because I'm lazy. I'll activate the block, click Add Content icon, and select text as the content type. I'll paste the text from the clipboard and then center it horizontally and vertically, and I'll click Save. We'll use same principles to add image to the right side of the layout. I'll choose image as the content type and then select an image file from my computer. Image editor lets me crop the image to the image area. I could also switch to fit mode, which lets me fit the image inside the image area. This is good for logos and icons and so on. But in this example, I will just crop the image. Now that we have two similar copies of the block on the page, we can go and remove the original one. Okay, let's take a look at the other elements on the page. Here we have a slideshow element with a cover flow effect. Slideshows have a lot of different layouts and different effects to choose from. This one at the bottom has a text element and a form element. They are pushed to the left using padding in Style Editor to leave space for the background image on the right. This block is the most bottom one on the page, so it can be made into a footer element from this menu over here. A footer element is shown automatically on all the pages of the website. And with the same principle, the first block on the page can be made into a header, which is also shown on all the pages. Next, I will show how to make this website into a Shopify online store. Let's make a new empty block to add a product list of 3 products. All the product data is pulled from a Shopify account. First, we will add content and choose Shopify product list as content type. We'll choose a product card layout, how many products are shown side by side, how many products are shown when the page loads, and from which collection the products are shown, in this case, shirts. I'll save the product list, and now we have a working online store. This product list would look a lot nicer if there was some empty white space around it. We can make this happen in the Style Editor. Let's navigate to the right part of the HTML structure and add 50 pixels padding all around the product list. Another way to create a path to purchase is to add product buttons or product links. Let's make this Contact Us button into a product button. Let's pretend that we are selling some explosive paint. I'll switch the text on the button to Buy Now. Then I'll highlight the text and open Link Editor. Link type should be changed into product. Then I type in name of the product, and any product with that name from your Shopify account shows up. We can define if the button opens the product page or if the product is added to the shopping cart immediately. Okay, let's then save the product button. I'll open the preview again for us to take a look at the e-commerce site we just created. Now we can see the product button and the product list. Clicking the product opens the product page for adding the product to the shopping cart. Let's also test the Buy Now button in the front page. And explosive paint is added to the shopping cart. The checkout button would take us to the checkout to actually order the products. The product linking feature gives designer a total freedom to design path to purchase. You can enable buying and adding products to shopping cart from anywhere on the website. Promote products in blog posts or in highly visual landing pages or just use your own creativity. Let's jump back to the LiquidBlox editor. Now we'll take a look at the page manager. On the left, we can see all the websites under this account. This account that I'm working on only has one. When the website is chosen and active, you can see the website info on the right panel. You can add a cookie banner to a website from here, or you can add password protection to a site. This can be useful, for example, when creating a B2B online store. This switch is used for adding the password protection. All the pages under this website are shown in the middle. When I click the page name, the page information is shown in the right panel. Page name, so what is shown in the URL, is added here, and meta title and meta description for search engines are added to these fields. For more advanced search functionalities, we can add category tags in this field. The page manager is closed by clicking this arrow. Now we click the LiquidBlox icon to enter the wizard view. This view is for your partnership with LiquidBlox and moving between your client accounts. Your company clients need their own LiquidBlox licenses. And as a LiquidBlox partner, you get a commission on these payments. Using the partner dashboard, you can make an estimation of your earnings. Type in the estimated amount of clients that you might have, let's say, in a year. The commission percentage is defined by the amount of new clients acquired in the last 3 months. So 3 new clients in 3 months ends up to this partner payment. 7 or more new clients bumps up the payment to this level. So when your business grows, your partner payments grow as well. You create a new LiquidBlox account for your client by clicking Add New Company button. Name the account with your client's company or organization name and click Create. This creates a free LiquidBlox account, and the designer has admin privileges to start designing the site immediately. All of your client accounts are found under Change Company dropdown. This is how you navigate from one client project to another. Our free chat support is found in the bottom left-hand corner. We will be there to answer your and your clients' questions. More about the benefits of using LiquidBlox as a designer at liquidblox.com.